Hello everyone and Happy New Year! Today we've got the Happy 99 email worm, or rather the Happy 2018 email worm. You see, I took the original Happy 99 sample and very carefully, over the course of months, I opened it as delicately as I could in Notepad++ and found the string where it said Happy New Year 1999 and changed that to Happy New Year 2018. So this is a very advanced hacked copy of this worm, and I'm very proud of it, so we're taking a look at it today. You might know this worm as being my very first malware video, made way back over 9 years ago on November 1st, 2008, and again, I looked at it in 2011, so it's been over 6 years since I've last looked at it, and I'm going to finally show you how it emails itself to another person. So let's go ahead and run the sample. We will infect our host here, and for whatever reason, it does not play well on virtual PC with the fireworks. But if we move it around a whole bunch, we kind of get the idea. The fireworks are going, yay, Happy New Year 2018. My very advanced edit is clearly on display here. And it says 2018 instead of 1999. Okay, so you close this. And as I've mentioned in the previous videos, the worm replaces several files on your computer, and now it just sort of monitors your network traffic. If you post to Usenet groups, it will post a new message posing as you with the worm attached, and does the same thing with email. So we're going to go ahead and restart this computer, and then we're going to send an email from this computer over to the second computer over here. So here we've booted back up on our infected machine. Nothing seems amiss as it does not run the fireworks payload again, but the worm is indeed running and monitoring our traffic. But if we go to our contacts and send an email, call it, hey, Happy New Year, it's 2018. And we will go ahead and send this. Make sure we actually send and receive. Got to enter our very secure password. It's definitely not just the letter A. Please don't hack me. Now we'll come over here, send and receive, and here we go. Now we only sent one email called hey, but we can see we received two. Here's hey, Happy New Year, it's 2018 from danwalked1 at danwalked1.com. I'll bet that's a cool guy. And we have a second one, also subject hey, but with no message body. And in our attachments, we have happy99.exe. So it did not retain the great happy18.exe name that I started with, but if we run this worm, Outlook asks what we want to do with it, and we're going to open it, of course. We can still see it's been very carefully edited, and it has been hacked to the extreme to say Happy New Year 2018, because I am an elite hacker, hacksaw, if you will. And I can hack computer programs like it's nobody's business, obviously. But that's really about it. There's nothing too much more to show you. I just really wanted to get a New Year's video out, and I figured showing this worm sending itself in action would be pretty neat. So enjoy the fireworks, enjoy the rapid fire clicking, and I know you also enjoy the Model M, so enjoy that too. That's about it. Thank you very much for watching. Happy New Year. Here's to a great 2018. Thank you very much for watching again. Take care.